In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable comments in WordPress. If you're looking to control the interaction on your WordPress site and wish to stop receiving comments on your future posts and pages, you've tuned in to the right guide. Let's walk through this step-by-step process. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your WordPress account to access your dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with various options. We're going to focus on the Settings section in this menu. So, go ahead and click on Settings, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the list of options, you'll want to select Discussion. This section is specifically designed to manage how comments and other types of interaction are handled on your website. It's important to explore these settings if you want to have more control over engagement with your audience. Once you're in the discussion settings, you'll notice several options available to fine-tune your commenting settings. Here, we're looking for control over new posts specifically. What you'll find is an option labeled Allow people to submit comments on new posts. By default, this box might be checked if your WordPress system allows comments. So, what you'll need to do is simply uncheck this box. It's essential to understand what unchecking this box does. It disables the ability for users to comment on any new post or page you create from here on out. However, do note that this setting doesn't affect the previously published posts. In other words, your existing posts will retain their current comment settings unless you adjust them individually. Once you've unchecked Allow people to submit comments on new posts, you'll want to make sure to save your changes. Scroll down a bit until you see the Save Changes button and click on it. This action ensures that your new setting is applied correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled comments for all future posts on your WordPress site. Keep in mind, this method only affects new content. If you wish to disable comments on existing posts, you'll need to edit them individually or consider using a plugin designed for bulk actions. Thank you for joining in today's video. Now that you know how to control comment settings in WordPress, feel free to revisit your dashboard anytime to adjust settings as your needs change. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Until next time, happy blogging.